Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by cleaning the glass area with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Remove any screen protector and case that might lift at the edges. Check the sensor surface visually for scratches or debris that block contact. Open Settings and navigate to Biometrics and Security to test recognition. Check for software updates in Settings under Software Update and install available updates. Boot into Safe Mode to test biometric behavior without third-party apps interfering. Remove existing fingerprints, then reboot and re-add fingerprints using different finger angles. Open Settings, choose Biometrics and Security, then Fingerprints to delete saved prints. Reboot the phone to ensure system services restart properly after deletion. Use the provided on-screen prompts and enroll a full finger with multiple touches across the sensor. If problems persist, clear the system cache partition from recovery mode to remove corrupted temporary files. Only consider a factory reset after backing up data and exhausting these steps first. Ensure screen protector sits flat and does not press on the sensor area or create gaps. Replace any thick or metallic screen protector with the official ultra-thin option for reliable contact. Dry the sensor and finger if any moisture is present before testing the biometric scanner. Inspect the display for separation from the frame that can misalign the in-display sensor. If re-enrollment and software fixes fail, visit an authorized service center for sensor replacement and warranty repair options.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.